Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How Bill Gates is fighting global disease, the mission to save lives. When you hear the name Bill Gates, what comes to mind? For many, it's Microsoft, innovation, or perhaps wealth. But beyond the tech world, Bill Gates has dedicated a significant portion of his life and fortune to an entirely different mission, fighting global diseases. From malaria to polio, HIV to COVID-19, Gates has used his resources, influence, and determination to tackle some of the world's most pressing health challenges. Today, we explore the incredible work of Bill Gates in the realm of global health, examining his successes, controversies, and the lasting impact of his efforts. How Bill Gates is fighting global disease, a mission to save lives. Section 1. The shift from tech to global health. Bill Gates began his journey as the co-founder of Microsoft, a company that transformed the tech industry. But in 2000, he and his then-wife, Melinda Gates, founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Their mission was ambitious: to improve global health, reduce poverty, and expand access to education. The foundation quickly became one of the largest and most influential philanthropic organizations in the world, with a primary focus on global health. Gates has often said that while technology shaped his early career, it was philanthropy that gave his life true purpose. From tech tycoon to global philanthropist. Section 2. The War Against Malaria. One of the foundation's earliest and most significant initiatives was the fight against malaria, a disease that claims hundreds of thousands of lives each year, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. The Gates Foundation has invested billions of dollars into malaria research, prevention, and treatment. This includes funding the development of long-lasting insecticidal nets, improved diagnostic tools, and vaccines like the RTS malaria vaccine. In 2021, the World Health Organization recommended the widespread use of the RTS vaccine, marking a major milestone in the fight against malaria, milestone made possible, in part, by Gates' funding and advocacy. Malaria, a battle far from over. Section 3. Eradicating polio. Polio, a disease that once paralyzed thousands of children each year, has been another major focus for Gates. Through partnerships with organizations like Rotary International and the World Health Organization, the Gates Foundation has supported polio vaccination campaigns around the globe. Their efforts have led to incredible progress. In 2020, Africa was declared free of wild polio virus, leaving just a few cases in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Gates has called polio eradication one of the greatest challenges of his philanthropic career. Polio. Nearing the finish line.
Section 4. Tackling HIV. AIDS has devastated communities worldwide, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. Recognizing this, the Gates Foundation has invested heavily in prevention, treatment, and research. Their approach includes funding innovative solutions, such as microbicides to prevent HIV transmission, and advocating for expanded access to antiretroviral therapy for those living with the virus. While significant progress has been made, the fight against HIV/AIDS continues, with Gates emphasizing the importance of ongoing innovation in global cooperation. HIV/AIDS, Innovation and Hope. Section 5. Responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic brought the world to a standstill. Gates had warned about the threat of a global pandemic years earlier, and when it struck, the Gates Foundation was quick to act. The foundation pledged over $1 billion to support the development and distribution of COVID-19 vaccines, tests, and treatments, particularly in low-income countries. Initiatives like COVAX aim to ensure equitable vaccine access worldwide. While the efforts of Gates and others have saved countless lives, they've also faced criticism over issues like vaccine patent protections and distribution challenges. COVID-19, a global challenge. Section 6. Controversies and criticisms. Despite his philanthropic achievements, Bill Gates has faced criticism. Some argue that his wealth gives him disproportionate influence over global health policies, while others question the transparency and accountability of his initiatives. Critics also point to the potential conflicts of interest between his investments and philanthropic activities, raising important questions about the role of billionaires in shaping public health. Philanthropy or power play. Section 7. The future of global health. Looking ahead, Bill Gates remains committed to his mission of improving global health. From funding new vaccines to addressing the impacts of climate change on health, his work continues to evolve. While challenges persist, Gates' efforts have undeniably saved millions of lives and advanced the fight against global diseases. The mission continues. What do you think about Bill Gates' approach to fighting global disease? Is it effective? Or are there areas for improvement? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more stories of innovation and change.